This is Vandenberg Hall, the home to SUNY New Paltz School of Business. Hi everyone, congratulations on being accepted. My name is Jenna Fitzgerald and I am currently a junior here at the SUNY New Paltz School of Business, double majoring in marketing and management.
Hi, my name is Kelsey Dougherty. I am a double major with International Business and Management, and I am a senior.
Hi, my name is Grace, and I'm currently a senior marketing major here at SUNY New Paltz.
Hello, my name is Emma Messenger. I am a junior at SUNY New Paltz, majoring in finance within the School of Business.
Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan, and I'm an ambassador for the School of Business. I'm a second year majoring in International Business and Business Management.
My name is Jessica. I'm a junior, and I'm an accounting major here at SUNY New Paltz.
Hi, my name is Tenzin Kunga. I'm a junior and an uprising senior at SUNY New Paltz, and I study finance.
Hi everyone, I'm Nav. I'm a junior studying finance.
Hello everybody, my name is Mackenzie McMorris and I'm a first year student here at SUNY New Paltz. My majors are finance and accounting.
In addition to being a School of Business ambassador, I also have the honor of serving on the Dean Student Advisory Board as the secretary. I also run the School of Business's Instagram at NPBusiness, so give it a follow, and the Facebook page. Over the summer during the school year, I was able to fill my internship requirements for the School of Business graduation by interning with John Oles, the head of marketing for SUNY New Paltz.
I serve on the Dean Student Advisory Board. I'm a School of Business student ambassador, and I am a student assistant in the Office of Development and Alumni Relations.
On campus, I'm involved with the American Marketing Association, where I'm the vice president, business ambassadors, and I'm a marketing intern for the New Paltz Chamber of Commerce.
In addition to being a full-time student, I am also a member of the SUNY New Paltz women's tennis team. We have won 2 SUNY championships in the past 2 years, allowing us a direct bid into the national tournament as well. I have enjoyed the ability to play the sport I love while also staying involved with the various clubs that the business school and SUNY New Paltz in general have to offer. I enjoy participating as a member of the Accounting and Finance Association, as well as being an e-board member for the American Marketing Association. In addition, I also appreciate the opportunity to be a part of the Student Athlete Advisory Committee here at New Paltz, where I can bridge my interests of school and athletics as we strive to better the community as a whole. I am also a student assistant, member of the Dean Student Advisory Board, in addition to being a business ambassador for the School of Business.
Along with being an ambassador, I'm also an executive board member of RHSA, a chapter member of NRHH, and this semester I became an RA too.
The highlights of my extracurricular activity, I would say, would be working at the School of Business as an ambassador, working as a tutor at the Center for Student Success, where I tutor students in basic accounting and economics courses, participating in the Alternative Spring Break program, where I volunteered during my spring break across the New Paltz area, and being in the Accounting and Finance Association, where I've served as the Public Relations Officer and as the Vice President currently.
I'm a member of the New Paltz men's volleyball team, as well as a School of Business ambassador.
Along with being an ambassador for the School of Business, I'm also a part of the Dean Student Advisory Board and the Director of Finance for the Accounting and Finance Association.
And my extracurricular activities include sitting on the Budget and Finance Committee, the Business Association for Students of Color, Emerging Leaders, and the Multicultural United Students Empowered Club.
My favorite part about being a student here at the School of Business are all of the opportunities that the school provides you. There are several events throughout the semesters where you can connect with alumni and successful members of the career field of your choice.
My favorite part of the School of Business is the 4+1 graduate program. So we are able to get 2 degrees in just 5 years, and graduating seniors have the opportunity to incorporate certain graduate courses into their undergraduate curriculum so they can graduate with a little bit head start, and they can receive their graduate degree in just 1 year after undergraduate graduation.
Some of my favorite things about the business school are the small class sizes. I see a lot of familiar faces on campus and in class, which especially helps during group projects. I also really like our professors. They're very friendly and helpful, especially if you go to office hours. The School of Business also offers really great internship opportunities, where I was able to have 2 internships during my time at SUNY New Paltz. Overall, I love the School of Business and SUNY New Paltz.
My favorite part about being in the School of Business would probably be the welcoming community and the vast amount of network events that the school hosts. I have made many contacts and obtained a myriad of professional and career-related advice from each and every event I have attended.
Of all those listed, I've actually been an ambassador the longest, surprisingly, because I was very lucky to apply my first semester here at New Paltz. Initially working alongside upperclassmen, professors, and even the dean was very intimidating, but that was also my first big step into becoming involved with the school and meeting other people. Working with professors outside of the classroom capacity has been quite an experience to see them in a less formal capacity, and just befriending and working alongside other students has been super helpful to help me survive the semesters. We've talked about just classes, class registration, and everything. It's funny because I have a group chat right now that keeps going off with friends from orientation from almost 2 years ago, and we're talking about just that. Anyway, I hope everyone is doing well and that remote learning is going smoothly.
My favorite part about being in the SUNY New Paltz School of Business is that they provide you with a lot of experiences that can either allow you to network with industry professionals or allow you to gain skills and develop experience for you to apply to your future career.
One of my favorite things about the School of Business is being able to work with other professors and associates in departments such as Dean Bacchus, Lori Nutting, and Christine Daly. A lot of the professors in the School of Business are very helpful and very easy to approach and really nice people.
My favorite part of being in the School of Business is how helpful and supportive the staff is, as well as my peers. I'm so grateful to have made a lot of friends by joining clubs, hosting events, and of course, going to class.
My favorite part of the School of Business is the smaller classroom settings, which enables me to have a deeper connection with my professors and my peers as well. I feel like that it enhances learning and enables me to comprehend the material a lot better. I enjoy my time here at SUNY New Paltz, and I hope you have a great day.
There are several events throughout the semester that are extremely beneficial and resourceful to our students. These events range from alumni panels, networking events, and etiquette training. Some events are also related to your courses, such as the Legal Environment of Business debates, where students spend a Saturday using the skills they learned in class to debate fellow students on topics given to you the day of. The School of Business requires you to enroll in a 1-credit internship and career practicum class, where you learn to make a resume, a cover letter, and networking skills. It is required for you to complete an internship while a student at the School of Business. This is a great way to make sure our students gain real-life experience. There are several resources, such as the Career Resource Center, that can help you in the search for an internship. Within your first few semesters at the School of Business, you are required to fulfill your business core curriculum. This allows you to learn every aspect of business. You will take accounting, finance, marketing, management, and international business courses. If you look online on the School of Business website, you will see that there is an 8-semester plan written out for each major. The class sizes at the School of Business are on the smaller side, which gives you great access to the professors so they know your names on a personal level, as well as familiar faces in classes. We hope this information is helpful to you, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact the School of Business, and make sure to follow us on social media. Stay safe, and we will hopefully see you soon.